I got all of that on my dash cam.
You knew I knew that was happening, right?
Yeah.
Is the editor of Alberta Oil Magazine, and he joins me in our Calgary studio. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, it all comes down to pipelines, Jim.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you go in and tell. Yeah, somebody's gonna go in and tell somebody.
Wait, I have to go tell? She's doing her whole car.
Or it out. I like hold it. It goes straight to 100.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my
keep
god.
climbing.
Dude. Oh.
Yeah, well, if you hold it for too long, it'll
Oh my
keep
god.
climbing.
Dude. Holy.
Niet Nieuwegein Zuid, maar nog een afrit ervoor. Dus ze zijn onderweg, ze moeten nog even een eindje tussen.
Zo, bam, ongeluk.
You okay?
On the sidewalk, and you, for a moment, realized how simple that is and how it's beautiful. Think of the moments.
So we're on Georgia Street in Vallejo, and my guy here is melting some thermoplastic to the ground so that we can make these stops more visible. What is it? Oh, okay. Anyway, we're going to do this so that we can make it more visible for people to, well, know that they need to stop at these kind of, wait, what is that? So you're supposed to stop. It says stop on the ground. There's a stop sign. Anyway, we're working in... Okay, you just go. It's fine. So we're working here, and he gave zero about anything. He just went. Anyway, you're supposed to stop. We're in the middle of the road. We don't want to get hit. We would appreciate it if you stopped at a stop sign. It's kind of... Okay. Nobody's going to get it today. We're just not... All right. Even the taxi. The damn taxi did it too. I don't know what to say. This is what happens when you work in the street every day.
Continue straight onto South 180th Street, Southwest 43rd Street.
Oh.
1 mile.
Oh.
We're coming to a quick stop.
Hold on, honey.
Hold on to my wood.
I got your dick.
Love it how it starts up without needing throttle.
Starts up without needing throttle, yeah.